Today I'm about to show you something that I bought today. Let me just go. I bought this bag. Yeah, my mom bought it for me. Like, it was maybe 500 or 15, somewhere there. She bought it in China Mall while I was buying Taggies. Yeah, I'm also gonna show you the Taggies. Just wait a little bit. Hey, did someone just steal my shoes or what? So guys, don't laugh now, don't laugh. If you see them now, say don't laugh. Let me just pick them up. Yeah, guys, they're funny.